Another visit here and the latest renovation starting to take shape. We put the big ranch sliding door and we're gonna build a deck here, come all the way out to the pot there. Here's my helper today. The kitchen is in. The kitchen will have to still be finalized in terms of all the finishing and painting and jib stopping. Looking good. We got the countertop here. This is going to be a breakfast bar island. We created an indoor-outdoor flow. It used to be only a single door here, if you remember. Now we can all go out and enjoy a nice indoor-outdoor flow. Here we closed those doors to create an ensuite. Let's go and have a look at ensuite, Orry. Here is the ensuite. Nice sliding door in the bedroom. This is the master bedroom with an ensuite will be here. There'll be a toilet right there, vanity, shower, and sliding door. Little boy here, the young fella here is learning the business. Here we're gonna have a washer and dryer combo. And study again. This area is taking shape. Let's check out the color. Doing that. Apart from all being jibbed, this needs to be now painted and tiled. Vanity. And let's see the upstairs. We are here today to take note of all the light fittings. We're going to do light fittings. We're going to buy all the light fittings today.